In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get old tax returns from H&R Block. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your My Block account to find, view, and download your prior year returns. First, open your browser and go to your My Block account on the H&R Block website. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land on the main dashboard. For the smoothest experience, I recommend using a desktop or laptop because the layout is a little easier to navigate than on a phone. Once you're on the My Block dashboard, look over to the left side of the screen for the main navigation panel. Find the section labeled Taxes. If your menu looks collapsed or you're on a smaller screen, you may need to expand the menu to see the word Taxes instead of just an icon. Click Taxes. This brings you into the Taxes area for your account. Here you'll see options related to your current or recent filings. To move into the detailed workspace, click Continue Taxes. Think of this as entering the tax center where all the tools and records for your account live. Inside that tax center, focus again on the left-hand navigation. Look for the option that says Previous Taxes. Click that. This section is specifically designed to show your past filings that are linked to your H&R Block account. It's the quickest path to older returns without hunting through other menus. On the Previous Taxes page, you'll typically see a list of tax years available to you. From here, you can open a year to view it, and you should see an option to download your return, usually as a PDF. Choose the year you need, select the download option, and save the file to a secure spot on your computer. If your browser asks where to save it, pick a folder you'll remember, like Documents or a dedicated Taxes folder. If it downloads automatically, you can usually find it in your Downloads folder. If you don't see any files here, it may be because there aren't any returns linked to this account, or you're looking at a demo or placeholder account. As long as your past returns were prepared or uploaded under the same My Block login, they should appear in this section. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If the file doesn't open after downloading, check your pop-up blocker or your PDF viewer. Always store tax documents in a secure location, and consider keeping a backup on an encrypted drive for safekeeping. And that's it. That's how to get your old tax returns from H&R Block using your My Block account.